I'm getting ready to start on a project tonight of something that I've never done before, and it consists of 4 rolls of what is called the visual effect of stained glass. Now, I have these beautiful curtains that I just put up. Prior to that, it was those ugly white blinds, and I love the curtains. But behind the curtains is, something hideous. So I'm going to work on putting up this film. And I had to go to the store and get a squeegee today, because you have to put it on with the squeegee. And while I was looking for a squeegee, I came upon a hat. So I got myself a new hat too. Woohoo! Okay, I moved the bed away from the wall, and it's time to reveal the hideousness. Right behind me is a 2-story apartment complex that can look right down in my bedroom. And there's also a light that shines at night. So I had to cover the window with what I had at the time, which was some plastic tablecloths. Therefore, I'm finally going to put up this beautiful stained glass so I can open my curtains, especially now that it's fall. It's going to be darker in here, and when I work on my projects, I want more light, but without the neighbors being able to see in. So I'm going to try this for the first time. Woohoo!
The only time I try to do this is at night, which I just realized, oh, when I take all this down, the neighbors will be able to see in what I'm doing. If they're looking. I don't know if they'll be looking. But I gotta take the curtains off. And you'll really see it. Drum roll. Ta-da! So, my beautiful new curtains. Alright, so I gotta take the plastic off and then wash the windows. I don't know if you can see what I mean. I can already see the lights from the neighbors. Those lights you see outside are from the neighbors. I didn't realize how dirty it is. I have to clean it.
Oh my goodness. Now I just need to wash the windows. Momentito.
Alright, let's see how dirty they actually are. Ooh. Well, it shouldn't be that dirty because it's had plastic on it. I could tape those curtains together so they wouldn't open, and I keep sticking to the tape. I want to make sure they're really clean, because I don't want to mess this up.
Here, I got the windows clean, so now I just need to read how to do this. Unroll film for detailed instructions. This is the picture of it. That's pretty. Now how do I open it? I gotta figure out how to open it. Momentito.
Oh my goodness, it's like trying to get into Fort Knox. Ah. Alright. Unroll film for detailed instructions. Well, I want to know what I'm doing before I unroll it. There they are. Okay. Now we're cooking. You will need spray bottle, liquid soap, squeegee, paper towels, window cleaner, measuring tape, sharp utility knife, straight edge. I need to get a straight edge. I have a ruler. I got everything see. Ta-da! Straight edge. A flimsy straight edge. Okay, clean glass, which I did. Measure window. Trim film. Okay, that's what I gotta do. Measure window.
I'm going to have to take this out in the garage and cut it because you have to cut it with a utility knife. And I can't put it on the floor because I'll cut my floor. So I'm going to take it out in the garage and cut it. Okay, I went out to the garage and cut my piece. So I want to measure it and make sure it's the right size and make sure that it can fit on each window.
I need my glasses. Oh my goodness.
Okay, good. So this will be my template. So I'll go outside and cut 3 more. And then I'll have to come back in and measure that gap part to cut that. Maybe this was longer than what I needed, so I did cut some bottom part off. So maybe that'll work in piecing it in. We'll see.
Okay, here it goes. It said spray warm soapy water on the glass and saturate the glass. And then apply it. I'm nervous! I wish I had someone helping me. It said the whiter the glass, the easier it is to put on. Okay, and then you separate the backing.
And put the shiny side that's against the back against the window. Oh my goodness. I'm getting scared. I'm afraid it's gonna stick on itself. Okay, put the shiny side against the window. Oh, I need to stand up more and more. Don't stick on itself.
I didn't read anything about the squeegee. This is probably when I use the squeegee. Ah! What did it say after that? Squeegee. Spray the outside of the film with soapy water mixture starting from the center. Use the squeegee to press out bubbles. Okay, so I gotta get it all on here first.
Spray the outside of the film with soapy water. Starting from the center, use a squeegee to press out air bubbles. Place a towel at the base of the windowsill to catch excess water. Squeegee repeatedly until dry. No glue is needed and should not be used. I think I need another towel. Momentito! And then squeegee from the center. I see why it said get a towel.
Alright, one down. I'm going to measure that, or no, let me get all 4 on there. And then I'll measure that. I think I do have enough left over to finish that. But one down. I can't believe it. I'm on my second one. Ready to spray the outside. And my squirt bottle decides to stop working. So now, I gotta go find another squirt bottle.
Found me another squirt bottle. Who could anticipate that their squirt bottle would stop working? Right in the middle of the project. a bigger gap here at the bottom than I would like. I wonder if it's still movable. It's on there pretty good. It said leave a 16-inch gap, but that's a little bigger gap than I want. Oh well, I don't think someone's going to be coming up trying to look through there. But you never know. But I'll still have my curtains on there. Woo. Ah. Oh, I keep forgetting to squirt the outside. I'm getting all wet. Ah. I sure am glad I had another squirt bottle. That's for sure. It did have water and bleach in it, so I had to clean it out really good. I thought, oh, I definitely don't want to get bleach on this. Oh, this one's... Am I too close to the top?
I know my windows will be really clean. That's 4 of them. Now I'm going to measure for this small little space. But my measuring tape, 2 of my measuring tapes I took out in the garage, but I think I found one more in here. Let me see. Oh, the bed's pushed up against my desk. Yes! I have a measuring tape. Okay, and paper. I took my notepad outside too, out to the garage. Alright, let's measure this puppy. Where did I put my glasses? Oh. Where's my head? Okay. And I have, here's one of the pieces that I cut off. So it goes this way. Yeah, I'll have enough to patch it, but I don't know where to match it. Oh well, it's just not gonna match. Oh, I didn't write down. Was it 2 1/4, I think. Well, it's actually 2 3/8. I need to be away from that. So 2 1/4. Let me write that down. I don't trust myself to remember. 2 1/4. Okay, back to the garage.
I got it all done. So I'm going to go outside right now. I'm going to go around back and look through the window. And I'm going to leave the camera on to see if I can see myself on the outside. So let me go do that. Take my glasses in case I need them. I don't think I will, but... I do have some big gaps, but I'm going to have to watch the tape back now, or the video back now, to see if I can see myself. But I went outside and I looked in. It's pretty good. I just don't like these little gaps. But I'm still going to have my curtains hanging up also. So this is just so I can pull my curtains open somewhat and get some light in too. So now I got to clean up my mess. Now that's a wrap, partner. Good night.